welcome to today's video. Well, in today's video, I have my Stitch Fix for the month of June. We are going to go ahead and we're going to get straight into the try-on. But before I do, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos, because that's what I do. And of course, to my regular subscribers, welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, I'm not going to go into all the details. I will leave it in the description box down below, along with a referral link for $25 off your first credit if you should choose to try it for your first time. And I also created a quick 3-minute little video. If you don't want to read all that, you can click on the video right up here. You'll see the little letter I, and it will also give you all the basics. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead and see what I got. Here is the first item out of the box, and this is from Skies Are Blue, and this is the Nutria embroidery top in the color blue, size large for $58. Now, I believe I saw this on Christian's Moments of Sanctuary on her channel, and I loved it on her, and I thought it looked fabulous on her, and I actually think I told her she should keep it because it looks so good on her. But let me go ahead and come up close and show you some of the details. It does have this lovely embroidery that goes all the way down the front. It is a halter style top. It comes up very high underneath the arms. Yes, like that. It doesn't come down too low, so you don't have to worry about that. It has these cute little pom-poms down at the end. And not only that, it also comes lined, so that is really fabulous. But the only issue I think I'm personally having is in the back. In the back, you could kind of see like the rolls, and yeah, I'm going to be uncomfortable. I know I'm not going to like that about it. Maybe if I get down to my goal weight, I would probably like this, but for me right now, I'm going to say this is going to be a no, because I would have to wear a denim jacket with it to pull it off and feel comfortable. But from the front, oh, it looks fabulous. And if they would have put maybe the embroidery in the back, it would have kind of like hid that, and you know, it wouldn't be solid white, so it might have worked for me. But with that said, a denim jacket is the second item in the box, and I mean, this, like, I already put this on, and this killed it with this shirt. I mean, this goes together perfect. But you know, I mean, it's cute, but do I really want to wear a denim jacket with a shirt just to make the shirt work? No. So let's talk about the denim jacket now, though, because this denim jacket is rocking. I put this on, like I said already, and whew, I love it. This is by Market and Spruce, and this is the Finn denim jacket in the color Indigo for $68. Now, the only bad thing about this, I already have so many denim jackets and so many that look like this. I think the one I have that looks almost identical to this was by Democracy, and it had a little bit of distressing in it, but besides that, it's almost identical. But I'm going to tell you, my arms are slightly bigger than normal, and so I usually have trouble with jackets, but not with this one. This one has a good amount of stretch. You can see like where it hits me right here. I love this jacket. If I needed a denim jacket, I would definitely keep this. And how cute does this look with this shirt? I mean, come on. And then you don't have that back roll back problem in the back. So it looks good as long as I keep this outfit together like this, right? But yeah, I'm probably, you know, you're not always going to want to keep a jacket on. So these are going to probably be a no, because I already have one like this, and the shirt with the issue. Okay, so here's the next item out of the bag, and this is by French Gray, and this is called the Maxi brushed knit dress in the color light blue, size large for $44. Now, this is just like the other embroidery top. It has that halter style top that I was telling you about. Let me come in close so you can see the pattern on it, which I really like this pattern. I think it's really soft, lightweight, would be great for the summer. It just flows away from the body. It almost feels like I'm wearing nothing. That's how comfortable this is. But the problem I'm having with this one, guys, is the armholes. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about when it comes down real low compared to the first top. This comes down way too low. I just don't like that aspect of it. If it would have come up higher like that, I would like. But besides that, it's a great price too. $44. Oh, and I really like it. It's so lightweight and would be such an easy wear in the summer. But I know, just like this shirt, I'm going to be subconscious about it, and I would be subconscious about this too. So for that reason, this is probably going to be a no too. So we're not looking too good, guys. We got 3 down and they're all being shot down. Okay, so fingers crossed, I got 2 more items. Okay, everyone, here's the next dress out, and this is the 9 Britton, and they are calling this the Willow Brush Knit Maxi Dress in the color black, size large, for $58. Now, I love a good floral pattern, and this is pretty cute. I think it's a possibility. It is 94% polyester, 6% spandex, and it's super soft. It is a brush knit. I love the darkness of it. I love that it comes up underneath the arms. Yes, thank you very much. So it comes up very nice high under the arms, so I don't have to worry about any of that. It has this lovely back detail right here with a whole bunch of crisscross details. You can see I did have to put wedges on. I'm 5'4". When I put it on with flat sandals, it was dragging on the ground. So I put it with these wedges, which I don't think I like it with these wedges. I would probably pick something else to wear with it. But this is not a bad dress. It's a possibility. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it or no? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I have one more dress, and I think it's a maxi dress too, so we'll see how that's the last dress out of the box, and this is from Maggie London, and this is the Embroidered V-neck gathered waist dress, maxi dress, in the color orange, size 12, for $88. Yeah, that's the downside of this one, $88, yikes. But, guys, I really like this one. I think even more than the black floral one, but the black floral one was only $58. But let's talk about this one first before we do the wrap-up part of it and decide what my decision is going to be. Let's talk about this, and let me show you the pattern in this. When my husband looked at it, he said it looked very fallish, and I think it does have a fallish vibe, but I just love it, the little pattern and the color in it. I don't have anything this color, and look at the gathered arm detail right there. That is very unusual. I don't think I have anything, and it has a nice V-neck right there. It also has a V-neck in the back. And with unlike the last one where I had to put wedges on, I'm able to put flats on with this one. So this one, to me, looks very boho, more casual, more easy to wear than the black floral. The black floral I liked a lot, but it had a dressy vibe to me it did. Where this one has just, I don't know, very boho. It has like there's elastic right here, and then there's like a ruffle detail. I don't know if that's showing up. You can see there's a ruffle there, and then a ruffle here. So it lends to looking very boho. And do the wrap up. This was the prettiest item in the box that I really loved when I saw it in the preview. And it was very flattering from the front, but from the back, not so much so. So unfortunately, sending that one back. This was the best priced item in the box, and this was just a knee-length, easy to wear summer brush knit dress. Pretty pattern, overall very flattering, but the armholes way too low for me. Definite no. Denim jacket, great denim jacket. Already own very similar color jackets like this, so of course I'm not going to spend the money on that right now. So I really like this dress, but this dress was $88, guys, and I liked it. I like the casual vibe of it, but $88. I can't justify $88 for this dress. If it would have been $58 like this one, I would probably keep it. But so my husband, he really liked this black maxi dress on me. So most likely I'm going to end up keeping this. I'm going to look back at the video footage and make up my mind. But I think I could get some use out of this one. So this is probably going to be the one I keep. But what did you think of the $88 one? Did you like it? Just let me know what you thought of it overall. I'm sending it back for sure, but I would still like to know what your opinion is. Okay, well guys, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.